And as those food prices continue to rise, our next guest has a great budget-friendly option that is packed with nutrition. Andrea Holwegner is a registered dietitian and joins us this morning to showcase a family-friendly idea. I'm so excited about it. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Of course.
I'm very excited to showcase a very easy, simple, nutritious idea for families that are looking for something budget-friendly.
Exactly. You know what? It's cold outside. This is a nice warm idea too. You're showing us a healthy baked potato taco bar. You have to tell me more, Andrea.
I know, it's so fun. So let me move over to my food visual so I can show you what I've got in store for you here. And so when we think about planning a healthy, simple meal, potatoes are a fantastic thing. The humble baked potato, super easy to make. All you need to do is pretty much 45 minutes to an hour in the oven, or if you've got an Instant Pot or even a microwave, these can come together very, very quickly. Prince Edward Island is Canada's food island, and they're world renowned for beautiful potatoes thanks to that iron-rich soil. And so they've been growing potatoes for about 200 years, and they're really made to enjoy. So to assemble a taco bar here, what we want to think about is some sort of a protein option. And so what I've got here is a pulled pork. Lovely, delicious. The aromatics in my kitchen last night when I was making this was so fantastic. And of course, if you've got members of your family that are vegetarian, what I'd suggest that you use instead is a canned pinto bean and just season it up with a little bit of taco seasoning, fajita seasoning, something like that. Works fantastic. And then, of course, we want to put all the different sides. So whether it's lettuce or it's cheese, onion, salsa, cilantro, sour cream, avocado, the possibilities are endless. And really, at the end of the day, this is how delicious this simple taco baked potato meal can look.
So is that bottom left one with the beans a vegetarian option? Is that what I'm looking at?
It is.
Okay.
That's the vegetarian pinto bean option. You could, of course, use vegetarian chili. You could use black beans. So many different things that you can add to a baked potato bar.
I love it. You're right. It's budget friendly. It's also delicious. I have to ask, is there more nutritional content using the potatoes rather than just a tortilla shell?
You know, I would say the baked potato is probably one of our best sources of good vitamin C, which is actually surprising to a lot of people. So I would say this is a perfect staple. You can always cook ahead, make ahead a few at a time. Maybe today you start with a pulled pork taco bar, and then maybe tomorrow with some of those leftover baked potatoes, you could do what I call a Greek baked potato. So canned chickpeas, a little bit of lemon Greek vinaigrette on there, some cucumber, tomato, and top your Greek salad on top of a baked potato. So lots of different ways you can find some joy here.
Okay, we have to wrap things up, but we were talking about healthy fats earlier in studio, Andrea, so you can throw some smoked salmon on there too?
Oh my gosh, a smoked salmon baked potato is so delicious. A little bit of cream cheese. I'd top it with some capers. It all like melts together with that smoked salmon and creaminess. Very, very delicious. And I'd probably serve that with a side salad of some sort or some carrot sticks just to get your veggies in.
I love it so much. Taco night every night in Andrea's house. All right, thanks so much. For more information, you can follow along on social media. All the links are right there on your screen. Thanks, Andrea.
Thanks, and can I just say you can head on over to canadasfoodisland.ca if you wanted the full recipe from today.